What's up, guys? It's your girl Serena Mingle here, coming at you for another testimony of Potomac Beads. I'm telling you guys, I just got my bead box in, I've got my delivery, I've got my bead board, the bead on it board. Don't want to miss the unboxing, so stay tuned for the next video. We'll go through my package together. See you then next time, folks. Versus how I really sound.
And a two, and a three. We're here live here at Northwoods United Methodist Church. Over here, Ben, Tara Peterson with Detour 39, and Serena Mingle, the Adorned Locket. Hello, people.
Wow, that's a lot of enthusiasm.
There we go. It's like, wait, talk to the phone.
We're on each other's
like
lives.
it's a person. Yes, we're live. We're gonna show you our little booths and whatnot. Support your local artists, the Onzo original members. Whoa, look at it. It's like, whoa, I wish I had that many cameras when somebody's next to you.
So